The Yamaha YZ250F has long been one of the most respected names in the motocross world. Built on a championship-winning foundation and refined through years of competition, the YZ250F continues to set the standard for riders who demand performance, control, and reliability on the track. Now, Yamaha is preparing to introduce the next evolution of this iconic machine, bringing a series of meaningful upgrades designed to make it even more capable than before. One of the first highlights of the upcoming YZ250F is its enhanced suspension settings and new rear shock. Yamaha has focused on improving bump absorption and traction, helping riders maintain better control through rough sections of the track. Whether attacking deep ruts, landing from jumps, or accelerating over uneven terrain, the updated suspension package is designed to provide a more balanced and confidence-inspiring ride. The next major improvement comes from a new optimized frame that delivers a more relaxed chassis feeling. Yamaha engineers have refined the chassis characteristics to improve rider comfort while preserving the precise handling that the YZ250F is known for. The result is a motorcycle that feels more predictable and easier to maneuver, allowing riders to stay focused and maintain consistency throughout long motos. Power has also received a significant boost thanks to an all-new engine with increased top-end power. Developed with racing performance in mind, the redesigned engine delivers stronger acceleration and improved pull at higher RPMs. This gives riders more speed on straights and greater confidence when pushing hard toward the finish line. Together, these upgrades demonstrate Yamaha's commitment to continuous improvement. The upcoming YZ250F is not about changing what already works. It is about refining every key area to create a faster, more capable motocross machine. As anticipation continues to build, riders and fans alike are eager to see the new YZ250F hit the track and continue Yamaha's winning tradition in the highly competitive 250 cubic centimeters motocross class.